Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, October 21st. We were seeing some cloudy skies out there earlier this morning. Those clouds have since broken up a little bit ahead of schedule here this morning. We do anticipate broken low cloudiness to continue throughout the rest of the day, though. Just seeing a little bit of sunshine and temperatures only getting up to the mid-60s. We did see quite a bit of rain yesterday. With 4.6 inches of rain total here at Wallops. That is the record for October 20th since record keeping began, and it's also the second rainiest day in October history. So a very rainy day yesterday, which is quite a contrast to the drought conditions we have been experiencing for the past month or so, and those have obviously quickly turned around here. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. There we have abundant low cloudiness across southeastern Virginia and the southern half of the Delmarva. Some of that has broken up. Really seeing some clear skies across far northern portions of the Delmarva, but we are going to see those winds shift from a northerly component to more northeasterly as we go towards the afternoon, and that'll help to increase this cloudiness once again. So any sunshine we're seeing right now should be short-lived, as we're only going to be seeing this for a little bit, as that northeasterly component is going to help to increase cloudiness over the area as we go towards the afternoon hours here. Taking a look at the surface analysis, there's that low still lingering just well east of the area this morning. That helped to bring those heavy rains yesterday across the region. That'll continue to weaken and move off as we have this weak area of high pressure building in for today and into tonight, which will help to calm down the winds as we go into tonight. But still expecting mostly cloudy conditions as we go throughout tonight and into tomorrow as well. Our next weather maker is going to be this front that's located over the Midwest currently. That's bringing some thunderstorms and severe weather across the south. That's going to continue to march eastward. It is going to weaken a bit as it approaches our area, but still giving us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we go into tomorrow evening, mainly between about 6 p.m. to midnight. Looks like our best chance to see some scattered showers and storms with that frontal passage. So that will be a factor in deciding whether to set up for our subtech mission coming up, and then we're going to have high pressure building behind there to give us some better weather for the remainder of the week after tomorrow evening. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing some northerly winds at the surface, just above the surface. They're northeasterly around 20 knots, then shifting north to northwesterly and weakening to around 15 knots at the 9,000 foot level, then becoming around northwesterly at 20 knots between 12 and 16,000 feet, maxing out from the west at 65 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just above 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a little bit chilly conditions out there, high only getting up into the mid-60s. Winds are going to turn more northeasterly as we get towards lunchtime, then northeasterly by the mid-afternoon hour around 5 to 10 knots. And like I mentioned, that's going to help to increase our cloudiness once again as we go into the overnight hours. Winds then becoming variable around 3 to 8 knots late this evening into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday, with winds then becoming east-southeasterly around 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Tuesday. Expecting a mild low tomorrow morning of around 56 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a scattered cloud deck at 1,000 feet, broken at 2,000, broken at 4,000. Could be seeing those low clouds become scattered at times over the next several hours, but more likely going to be remaining broken between 2,000 and 3,000 feet as we go towards the mid-afternoon. Then to the late afternoon hours, we're going to see those clouds definitely become overcast again and into the overnight hours, and possibly even seeing those ceilings dip below 500 feet briefly between midnight and 6 a.m. or so, and then seeing just a few clouds 700 feet, overcast at 1,500 Tuesday, and then we should see some sunshine again by late Tuesday, and it will depend on how much sunshine we get in the afternoon hours tomorrow to see how much chances for thunderstorms we get tomorrow evening. We are seeing tides about 1/2 to 1 foot above normal this morning across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a quick look at our long-term model here. We are going to be seeing that front approach the area tomorrow, so this is tonight going to be seeing that high pressure overhead helping to give us some calmer winds rather, and then tomorrow we'll see that front approach the area. That's going to give us a chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly between about 6 p.m. and midnight tomorrow. Can't rule out, though, a slight chance of a shower anytime in the afternoon. Then as we go towards Wednesday morning, we're going to start to have some broad area of high pressure building across the southeast. That'll really give us some tranquil and seasonable weather starting Wednesday afternoon and through the Friday time frame. And after Friday, we are going to be seeing our weather models kind of diverge as we have one model here bringing up this energy from the Gulf and giving us some more rain late Friday, and then other models do have that high pressure persisting across the area, keeping us dry and tranquil through the weekend. So that'll be something we'll have to keep an eye on as the week progresses. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be cloudy to mostly cloudy today, high of 64. Tomorrow we are going to be seeing some partly sunny skies throughout much of the day, high of 68, and then it's going to depend on how much sunshine we get tomorrow, which will be a factor in our thunderstorm activity tomorrow evening. But it does look like with that frontal passage, we are going to have at least a 70% chance of some scattered showers, and then around a 20% chance currently is looking like for a chance of some thunderstorms. Wednesday, though, we are going to have that high pressure building in, keeping things nice and seasonable with a high of 68 with mostly sunny skies. Same for Thursday as well. Could be seeing some good radiational cooling Thursday morning with those lows dipping into the low 40s possibly. And then Friday looks like we're going to get a little bit of an increase in cloud cover. That's when our models really diverge. So a little bit of a question mark is exactly what our weather is currently going to be Friday through the weekend. Staying dry here, though, as it looks like the majority of models do have high pressure staying strong into the weekend, with temperatures remaining in the mid to upper 60s and partly to mostly cloudy skies for Friday and Saturday. Then it looks like we're going to get another low pressure moving through the area by Sunday for a return of some scattered shower chances, perhaps even an isolated thunderstorm as we go into Sunday and into the early part of next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.